Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Marginal revenue product is easy to find if you follow these quick steps to analyze the table data for our perfectly competitive firm right now. Marginal revenue product is defined as the change in total revenue when you add one more worker. We need to calculate the difference in revenue between the third and fourth workers. Looking at the table, the total revenue for 3 workers is $105. When we hire the fourth worker, the total revenue increases to $140 total. Subtracting 105 from 140 gives $35. Thus, the marginal revenue product for the fourth worker is $35. Well done! Option A is correct. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and check steps to trust given data.